Portland, Oregon is amazingly successful at living out its fantasies. Last week's reawakening to the dark side worlds of Islamic terrorism temporarily pierced its thought bubble, that of, we are a green, bike-friendly enclave of liberalism, political correctness, and multicultural goodwill. Why in the world would anyone want to bomb our holiday, formerly Christmas, tree lighting gig? Answer: because we're there. See National Geographic's newly released documentary Restrepo. How rudely the slings and arrows of reality prick the Portland thought bubble, when, according to an FBI press release on 11/26/2010, Mohammed Osman Mahmoud, 19, a naturalized U.S. citizen from Somalia and resident of Corvallis, Oregon, was arrested on charges of attempting to use a weapon of mass destruction, explosives, in connection with the plot to detonate a vehicle bomb at an annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony earlier this evening in Portland, Oregon. The FBI Justice Department squib emphasized that the threat was very real. Our investigation shows that Mahmoud was absolutely committed to carrying out an attack on a very grand scale, said Arthur Ballison, special agent in charge of the FBI in Oregon. At the same time, I want to reassure the people of this community that, at every turn, we denied him the ability to actually carry out the attack. The city of Portland, consistent with its thought bubble, has been inconsistent, or more accurately confused, in its reactions to Mohammed Osman Mahmoud's clear cell phone dialed signal to the good inhabitants of Portland. I am dedicated to killing you, men, women, children, all of you. The message could not have been more persistent and precise in its intent, nor more pernicious in its delivery. It is due to the vigilance and diligence of the FBI, and the crucial call of concern made by Mohammed's father, that the malevolent energies of Mahmoud were diverted into the sting operation that resulted in the tree being lighted in celebration, rather than in an event of death, tragedy, and horror. In the wake of this latest puncturing of Portland's penumbra, there are already signs of patching the bubble. The reclaiming of liberal equilibrium, the pride and symbol of the city, is evidenced by a shifting of focus from Mahmoud to the FBI. The rationalizing goes like this: we can't believe that a young man, who was so friendly and intelligent, would do this. The FBI must have entrapped him. This thread will enjoy increasingly intensified press in the coming months. Meanwhile, the attempted tree lighting bombing has sparked renewed debate over whether Portland should allow its police to join the Joint Terrorism Task Force with the FBI and other agencies. The local ACLU lobbies against this arrangement in support of the city. Portland is one of the only cities in the country to spurn JTTF participation. Perhaps this is a blessing. The Bureau and other JTTF members here in Oregon have plainly managed well without Portland. The sting operation on Mahmoud developed free of compromises or WikiLeaks. It's probably better for the FBI, the U.S. Justice Department, and yes, even Portland, to allow this fair green city its 9/10 bubble. Just don't break it too often.